So here's a quick little pro tip. If you're trying to siphon fuel out of like a motorcycle like I am, easy way to do it, you can do this on pretty much anything, as long as you can fit 2 hoses in it. What you're going to do is you're going to get the long one, put it in there towards the bottom of the tank, put the other end into a gas tank, then get a shorter piece of hose that you can put inside next to it, just like that, and then wedge like a cloth in here, or some kind of like rubber, you can use gloves or something, and then all you gotta do is blow into this one or use an air compressor, push air into here. It'll pressurize the tank as long as air doesn't escape through here, and then push the fuel out with gravity down there. And then once you release, it'll still pull air in through here, and the siphon will take effect. And then after you get the flow started, just like this, you can go ahead and just let it run. I pulled the other, I pulled the rag out and the other hose, and I can just stuff it down to the lowest part of the tank. And you're going to get about 90%, at least 95%. Maybe a little bit in there, but as you add your new fuel, it's going to bring back up the quality of fuel, back up to like a premium standard. So, yeah, hope this is helpful.